I think the most important factors is like techniques. It's all about technique. And the technique we cannot learn at home. Like, by sitting at home, we cannot learn about the techniques. It's all about like, we should not think like, if I have a bad English, or if I can't speak English properly, then I can't score 𝗬𝗃 or more than that. So it's totally wrong. It's all about techniques and all about guidelines and some of the tricks.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, from a Sydney CBT branch, I've got Udit with me from Nepal. He has cleared his PTE exam, and this success is very special for me as well. I've seen him putting in the hard work, a lot of hard work. He used to start work in the morning, used to finish at 6, and then he used to travel for an hour just to be here for 2 hours, and that takes a lot of inspiration. Udit, I remember when you missed out in your initial attempts, you were a bit demotivated. I remember in the last attempt as well, when I asked you how was the exam, you told me exam was fine, but again, no point, I won't get the result, right? I really understand it can be very tough to go for the exam again and again, but one thing which I want to learn from you is how to keep on going, right? It's very tough because even if I get some failure, I'll feel or I'll think twice again before starting it. What kept you going on?
Like the first thing is like, I want to start from the beginning. Like I attempt like several exams at beginning before joining this academy, and I was like I applied those techniques that I learned before like a year, and then it was like completely different. I got the same marks when I applied the same techniques, and then later on, like I joined Language Academy. I saw about this through Facebook, and then when I joined the Language Academy, at first I gave my exam, like there was not plenty of time. It was like 6 days.
That's right.
You remember 6 days. And then I scored on reading at that time because I was struggling on reading. And I scored on reading, but I missed on speaking and writing. And then later on, like I was like completely demotivated with my results again and again. And then you are the one who pushed me like, okay, you have to come to class, you have to see me, you have to give the mock test. And then like I followed you, and then I used to come every day, like I told before, every day, and I was like completely tired all the time.
Yes, I remember.
I think you can see in my face.
I even used to ask you to stop, and whenever I used to give him mock tests as well, I knew that he was really tired, but again I had to push you. That it's very important to push, because if we will just stay in the comfort zone, or if we won't do something which is more than ordinary, it's very hard to get something extraordinary, right? So we have
also to like I want to add one more thing. Like it's like a memory for me. Like in class also, sometimes I used to like feel asleep, like because I was tired at that time, and then you gave me a lot of things to do, like because I think you gave me more priority than others. I feel like that. I know you give to every student, but it was like totally like memorable journey. And finally I got it what I wanted it from the Language Academy. And I strongly recommend to all of my friends and whoever watching this video, I strongly recommend Language Academy, because I think this is the place where we can achieve our desired score.
That's right.
Within a short period of time.
Thanks
but
for that.
The first thing is you need to be more dedicated, and I learned it from Varun.
Thanks, Udit. Really appreciate it. But one thing which I really want to know about your PT journey, what do you conclude from your journey? What do you think is important for the exam? Surely, I don't really believe that you, it's only your English skills. That's not, right? Because if we look at speaking, the way we did speaking, the way we did summarize written text, it has got nothing to do with your English. What do you take out of your journey? What is the most important factor?
I think the most important factors is like techniques. It's all about technique. And the technique we cannot learn at home. Like, by sitting at home, we cannot learn about the techniques. It's all about like, we should not think like, if I have a bad English, or if I can't speak English properly, then I can't score 𝗬𝗃 or more than that. So it's totally wrong. It's all about techniques and all about guidelines and some of the tricks
That's right.
that you discovered.
Thanks.
And it's all about this, and it's all about dedication. The first thing is dedication. You should be more dedicated and follow the path, and everyone can
do it.
score.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because when you have the right direction, right strategies, you need to understand what the exam is about.
Yeah.
Because when you study by yourself, you think you are doing it correct, but you don't know what the computer needs. If you satisfy whatever computer is looking for, you are going to get the score. Before we wrap up, any advice for people out there who are struggling for the exam, who think the same like you did? I remember, you even told me that I don't think I can do it.
Yeah.
Any advice for them, please?
I already mentioned it before, like the first thing is all about your dedication. So you need to be more dedicated. You need to be more, you need to do more focus on PTE. And second thing is like, it's all about the techniques. You have to follow the techniques, you have to be more dedicated, and you have to believe in yourself.
That's right.
That's the three things.
That's right.
That you can score on PTE.
Believing in yourself is very important. Because if you don't believe in yourself, even if you are about to get the score, you will feel like you are way behind it.
Yeah.
And another thing, he left his gym for last 7 months. Congratulations on that. He can start that again. And it takes a lot of, you have been doing gym for a year and you completely left it, and then only you got the score. So to get something, you need to, to get something, you need to sacrifice something.
I sacrificed so many things.
Yes. But sacrifice is important as well.
Yeah.
Right? If you tell me that I can't spend a single minute on PT and I want to get the score, that's not going to happen.
Yeah.
You can't just play games and get the score.
Yeah.
You have to put in the hard work. You have got the score. It's not that I just gave you a strategy and you got the score.
Yeah.
I gave you the strategy, but you really worked hard. I remember that.
And I followed this.
Yes. It's very important that you put in your hard work as well, and don't expect results by just having a strategy. If you have something, you need to make sure you practice, you follow it properly, and you put in your effort as well. He has got the score because he was dedicated, determined that yes, doesn't matter what happens, I am going to get the score, and that is the sole reason which I believe helped you to get the score.
Yeah.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, bro.
Guys, make sure you are dedicated. You tell yourself, doesn't matter what happens, I have to do it, and you have the right direction, right push, and right feedback which will help you to get the score. That's it from this video, live from a Sydney CBT branch. I'll see you very soon. Thanks guys.
Thank you.